Welcome to Gates Mills Environmental Education Center. This video will give you a glimpse on what our career technical program consists of. Our facility is housed here on a grounds in Gates Mills that consists of about 30 acres, 3 greenhouses, and a barn full of tools and equipment that our students will learn how to use. We have 3 programs here: floral and greenhouse operations taught by Kim Judson, a landscape construction and designs taught by Dave Husat, and then the class housed at Holden Forest and Gardens, which have 2 locations at the Holden Arboretum and Cleveland Botanical Gardens. Our programs here are heavy project-based programs where our students learn with their hands and learn important employability skills. Each student is a member of the FFA, Future Farmers of America, where we use that student organization for field trips, competitions, and to practice our leadership skills.
In my part of the program, we focus on outdoor landscaping, ornamental landscaping, tree care, turf care, hardscape, irrigation, landscape lighting, water features, anything outside that is ornamental or part of the aesthetic of the landscape. Another main aspect of our program is using the landscape equipment, not just hand tools, but also larger equipment. We have a mini excavator, we have a skid steer, a Bobcat skid steer, several different kinds of mowers. Some of our favorite projects, we've done large installations at some pretty beautiful houses, and it's always good to see a finished product when you're done with all of this hard work over the course of months often. We've done deck construction on the back of a house. We have done a lot of renovation around the grounds here that are intended to beautify and really make this a better and more fun place to go to school.
My class is at the Holden Forest and Gardens. This program is housed at 2 different locations, one being at the Holden Arboretum in Kirtland, the second being downtown in University Circle, the Cleveland Botanical Gardens. We use the grounds and staff as an awesome place for our students to learn hands-on learning and be productive members of society and learning employability skills needed to be in the green industry. We have a wide variety of success stories in our program. Being in the agriculture field, students can pick a lot of options for a career. People judge this industry as just digging in dirt or low-wage jobs, and in Ohio there are many lucrative positions available. You can be a landscaper, you can be a designer, you can work in a biology lab, you could be a crop management, you can be more in the farming industry, or just as a grower.
My students will focus on greenhouse and floral design. We produce thousands of plants every year into the greenhouse. We sell them at our 2 open houses. For our holiday one, we create lots of holiday designs and grow lots of poinsettias to sell to our customers that come in eagerly to buy plants from our students. Some of my favorite projects is our Plant of the Month Club. We have 102 members that each month or 6 months out of the year our students will create something for all of our customers. They come and they pick it up, or we deliver it to their home schools. The open house, our spring open house, is probably my favorite, where we grow thousands of plants, annuals, perennials, vegetables. We have a big day of sales. They come in and purchase all our plants.